All right, we're going to talk about hypotheses and conclusions now. So again, our quiz is tomorrow. Make sure you have your conditional, converse, inverse, contrapositive all memorized for tomorrow. Make sure you have the symbols memorized as well. And now I'm going to underline the hypotheses and circle the conclusions. So hypotheses, P, conclusions, Q, and hypotheses go with the word if. So no matter where it is in the sentence, I'm looking for the word if. So I'll scan the sentence until I see the word if. There it is. Which means my hypothesis must be I forget to stretch. Number 7, my parents will be happy with me if, there's my word if, got to be careful to find that, which means the hypothesis is I take out the garbage before they ask me to. And number 8, if comes first, so if I practice my saxophone. So my hypothesis is I practice my saxophone, and the conclusions then would have been I will get injured, my parents will be happy with me, and I will get better at jazz. And number 9 through 15, we're going to label each as H for hypothesis or Q for conclusion. I'm going to highlight the hypotheses here. So look for the word if. Those are my hypotheses. So I will have to take a CPR class. Does not come after the word if, so that is a conclusion. I pass geometry. That's right here, right after the word if. So that's a hypothesis. I will get a burn. It's not a hypothesis. That's a conclusion because it doesn't have the word if. And I will take algebra 2. Again, that is a conclusion because it is not after the word if. Now P, just a reminder, goes with hypotheses, and Q goes with conclusions. And I forget my sunscreen. Look up here, right after the word if. That's going to be a hypothesis as well. So you got to be able to label your hypotheses and conclusions, and especially when you're looking at your conditional statements, or if I ask you to write a converse or an inverse or contrapositive, it's very helpful if you're able to label those first and then start switching around the order. So that will be very helpful to you as you take your quiz.